Welcome to WP Training Kit video number 9, Installing WordPress in cPanel. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn step by step how to install WordPress in cPanel. So let's get started. So here we are going to our GoDaddy account. Let's sign in into our account by this sign in button. Enter your username and password and click sign in. So here are the details of your products. In domains, we are going to click on this manage button. On this page, we have the first option of manage hosting. Click on it. So here the option is hosting with cPanel and click on it. We will be redirected to our dashboard. Now on this page, we have a cPanel admin button. By clicking, we will redirect to cPanel homepage. Scroll down to web application option. Inside, you can see WordPress. Choose it, and on the next page, you can see install this application button. On this page, you can see our domain name is entered by default. Click on it and you will see a drop-down menu. So everything is filled up by default. And here you need to choose this I accept license terms. Scroll a little bit more and enter your administrator username. Set up a strong password. Now next is your administrator email. Then your website title and tagline. Now these options are already selected. If not, select them manually and go with what is recommended. Check these recommended options and then finally click on this install button. We are pretty much done here. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn about how to create and edit the post with new WordPress editor. See you in the next video tutorial.